This egg sauce is so simple to put together and absolutely delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. Here I have a pan. I just go ahead and add a little bit of oil to it. Once the oil is heated up, I go in with some processed onion and chili pepper. This is dry chili pepper, which I just process with food processor and onion. Once I add that into the oil, I just give it a quick stir so it doesn't burn. And I'll go ahead and add the rest of my pepper. I'm making use of tomato here, red bell pepper and green pepper. I'll go ahead and stir everything together nicely until they are well combined. I'll go ahead and add my seasoning. I'm making use of curry powder, thyme, paprika powder, salt and seasoning cube. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. Once I add the seasoning, I'll just go ahead and stir everything together nicely once again until they are well combined. I add in a tiny bit of water just to cook the sauce. I just stir everything together nicely and allow to cook. I'm not going to cover the pot, but you can go ahead and cover the pot. I just keep it open and allow the pepper sauce to fry nicely. The pepper sauce has fried to my liking. I'll just go ahead and add the egg. Once I add the egg, I'm not going to stir it immediately. I'll cover the pan and allow the egg to set for a couple of minutes before I come and stir it. Few minutes later, the egg sauce is looking so beautiful and it smells absolutely amazing. I'll just give it a gentle stir before I go in with the rest of my veggies. This part is optional. If you don't want any green leafy veggies in your egg sauce, just go ahead and skip it. But I'm going to be making use of lettuce. I just go ahead and add the lettuce and I'm going to cover the pan again and allow everything to steam together for about a minute or so. And that is it, guys. Super simple and absolutely delicious. I give it a final stir and it is ready. You guys, this tasted so good and it smelled absolutely amazing. Go and give it a try. You can pair the egg sauce with yam, with potato, with rice, with bread. It's so delicious, guys. I pair mine with oven baked sweet potato and it's absolutely delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.